I see my friend. Who got the eggs? She is the prey. And who got the check? She is the hunter.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
I wanna get this. I wanna.
It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I
Ino-open na yan. And 1, 2, 3. I shocked there guys, nagulat ako. Kasi I get X. So I will hide this guys. Hahide ko to. Okay. Hide natin to guys. So medyo matagal tong voice over na to. Pero kung nagustuhan nyo lang pala tong vlog 1 ko na to hinahide ko na pala guys. So ayan, tinatakpan ko na pala yan mga beshi ko. Ayan, tinakpan ko na. Hindi pa ako makapili yan hindi pa ako makapili yan. Oo man. Ang tagal guys nung isa guys, hinihintay ko yung isa. Oo man, hinihintay ko yung isa. Si Jenica ba yun? Oo nga, si Jenica guys, si Jenica.
Yes, I
So
got
ayan
it.
guys, nagawa ko ng check. Sabi ko, I get free. Wait, I say that. Sorry guys.
It's my turn.
Walk. Me turn. This is mine, please. I wanna get hunter, not prey. I see